Hi, what's up, buddy? Welcome to Richstart Insider. Let's talk about Shiba Inu coin today. If this is your first time to Richstart Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, crypto trading, and how to make more money. So if you want to make more money, subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification so you don't miss out any of our videos. Get free stocks and cryptos and audiobooks in the description comment at the end of the video. Today we're going to talk about what's going on in the crypto market and Shiba Inu coins, latest news, and what could happen in future. So looks like Bitcoin is coming up again, 36,000. It used to be 31,000 on Monday, June 21, but it jumped back again. But what's really important is 42,000. That's something I really want to see. If the Bitcoin break out 42,000, we could be seeing the next bull run. If not, it just could be range bound, 30,000 to 40,000, 42,000, or it could go down furthermore, below 30,000. If it breaks below 30,000, if it stays there for a week or more than 7 days, we could be seeing 20,000. That's the next level. So I really want to see 42,000. If you're a Bitcoin bull, and Ethereum, it hit 1800. It hit below 2000 on June 25th, Friday, but it jumped back again over 2000. So which is good. I really want to see this go above and beyond 3000. Bitcoin Cash, of course, this also depends on the Bitcoin price. So if the Bitcoin is going up, this is also going up. It hit below $500, $444.44 on Tuesday, June 22, but it came back up again. It used to be over $1,200, $1,200. So it lost more than 50% of value over a few weeks. Ethereum Classic, it came back 30%, but it stayed below $100. Dogecoin, it came back again, but it stayed below 30 cents, it used to hit 74 cents when it was all-time high. So today, we're not going to talk about these coins, but we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is also a mascot for the Dogecoin, and also Shiba Inu coin also refers to Shiba Inu doll. So this doll breed is quite popular right now. It's from Japan. So how did it get started? The Shiba Inu, it was launched in 2020 by anonymous person going by the name of Roshi. Sounds like Japanese name, but he might not be Japanese. Shiba Inu was a challenge to Dogecoin from the very beginning. Its mascot, the coin's namesake breed of Japanese dog, is also mascot of Dogecoin. So they both have the same dog breed. So it's interesting. So Shiba Inu jumped. Why is that so? It jumped because it was added to Coinbase Pro. Shiba Inu together with Chiliz, Kim Network, so after being added to Coinbase Pro. This news was on June 15. But one thing really interesting is that it took a long time for the Coinbase to add Dogecoin, but it just took them a little over a month. After the Dogecoin, basically they added Shiba Inu. So Elon Musk, another reason why a lot of people buy Shiba Inu coins, dots, real dots, Shiba Inu real dots, because of the popularity, publicity. Basically, Elon Musk tweeted a lot about Dogecoin, and he also talked about his Shiba Inu. It's gonna be named as Flocky. Flocky, there's also another cryptocurrency named Flocky. So once after he tweeted, Shiba Inu, Flocky jump, and also Dogecoin as well. So it's very interesting. 2021 is a year of dots, because dot coins are really popular right now. And there's another coin called Kisu Inu too. Another reason why Shiba Inu could be going up more is because of the publicity by the NASCAR. NASCAR, if you watch my previous video about Dogecoin, the NASCAR has a logo, Dogecoin logo, so everybody knew. So if everybody who's watched NASCAR race on TV or in real life, when they saw Shiba Inu coin logo, they're gonna Google and they might buy. Who knows? So it's just for fun. I'm gonna buy 100,000 or 1 million Shiba Inu coin so that I can tell my friends I'm a millionaire. They could do that. So if everybody start doing that, so this Shiba Inu coin could go up more. And so let's go and look at the chart for Shiba Inu. So 24 hours, Shiba Inu jumped 15%. 1 week 48.24%. 1 month 60%. The all-time high is 640,000. So that's pretty crazy. So market cap is only 2.6 billion. The volume is 1.1 billion volume. The Sakura supply a trillion, 394 trillion. That's quite a lot compared to Dogecoin of 130 billion. So market cap is 34 billion. Dogecoin market cap is 10 times higher than Shiba Inu. So, but it doesn't mean that Shiba Inu could be 10 times, in future. Volume is 2 times more than Shiba Inu too. So, another thing that we need to know about is the Sakura supply. Dogecoin is so little compared to Shiba Inu. So that will be really interesting to see if the Shiba Inu could be doing catch up to Dogecoin. Even if Shiba Inu could catch up, let's say 2 times, 3 times, that would be already very, very good. So what I'm really interested to see is 0.0000001. Basically, 401. Right now it's 50.0000092. So I really want to see it breaks out, to 40 instead of 50. That it sounds much better, right? 40 is much better. So could it be 10 times? No, may not be necessarily 10 times, but could it be 2 times, double or triple? Possible, if depending on how popular it becomes and how useful this coin becomes. So that will be really, really interesting to see. I really want to see 0.00001 rather than just 92. That's gonna be my breakout point. So okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, share this video, and get free stock on cryptos and audibles in the description comment below. If you already like this video, this is my gift for you, my Shiba Inu dart photo for you. So if you are watching and take this now, you are my good friends, you're my GF. So comment your city and country down below. I really want to know where you are watching from. Of course, this is just for information and entertainment, not a financial advice. So do your own research before you buy any cryptocurrency or securities. So this is my gift for you, Shiba Inu, because you watch and take the act. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.